Do you recommend credit cards?
Yes, I do recommend credit cards because it has a lot of perks. So number one, you get to earn points the moment you use it. It also depends on the card kung anong klaseng kukunin mo na credit card, which eventually, as you accumulate more points, you can convert that into rewards tulad ng mga gift certificates, free air miles, discounts, and promos, and other things. Meron din ibang mga credit cards na nagbibigay sila ng cashbacks. When you spend a certain amount, you get a cashback, and yung logic natin is that since gagastos ka na lang din naman, at least meron kang cashbacks na makuha. Isa sa mga magandang reason why I also recommend people to use credit cards wisely is because it can really help you build your credit score. Pag mataas or maganda yung score mo, mas mataas yung likelihood na ma-approve ka sa loan just in case you need it in the future. Tulad ng mga home loan, personal loans, car loan, business loan included. Pag makita ng mga bangko na hala, itong person na to marunong siya gumamit ng credit card. So kung ikaw naman yung financial institution na nagpapautang, you are more confident to lend money to that person. I had a credit card since like what, 2014 or 2012 pa yata? And I never been into like that. And I never paid any interest.
Wow.
Yung style lang is very simple. Bayaran mo lang ang statement balance before the due date and wala kang babayaran na interest or penalty fees and etc.